Well, hey there, fashion friends. Welcome back or welcome for the first time. Thank you for tuning into today's episode. On today's episode, we are going to be looking at what I wore this week with my new haircut.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
Okay, so yeah, a few of you have been asking for another What I Wore This Week episode. So that's what I'm doing here today, is sharing 5 outfits that I wore throughout the week. And to break things up, I'm going to just share some of my little tidbits on different daily thoughts that just go through my head when I'm putting together my outfit every day, just on a practicality standpoint and a style standpoint. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so Monday, and yes, I am going to include cliche names for each day of the week. Okay, so for Manic Monday, so my little side tidbit for this one is that I do like wearing shorts during the summer, but on a day-to-day basis, when I'm going in and outside, I like to just stick to good old pair of jeans. And I like those jeans to be 100% cotton because they just are so breathable and so comfortable. So it's just a great alternative to shorts. Okay, so Travel Tuesday. Yeah, so Tuesday I was going to the beach, so my side tidbit for this one is that I love one-piece swimsuits for the fact that they're kind of dual purpose. You can wear the one-piece swimsuit as a tank top as well. So what I loved about this look is just kind of like the effortlessness of just being able to have the swimsuit on with just a pair of shorts, and it just looked like a normal outfit. Mama's not really wearing the bikinis these days. I don't know why, but it's like ever since I've been a mom, I haven't really rocked the bikinis, but why not, right? Wednesday, hump day. I've never liked that term, but okay. So for Wednesday, I wore.
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton is hard to beat, my lady on me. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton is hard to beat, my lady on me.
Okay, so my side tidbit for this one is that I love belts, not for their practical purpose, because let me tell you, I'm definitely not in need of belts for practical purposes because most of my jeans are super, super tight and there's no chance of them falling down. But when it comes to a styling point of view, yeah, I love them because I just think they add a little bit of interest, a little detail that just really elevates the look in such a very small, understated way. And then on top of that, they're flattering because what I like about it, because of my rectangular shape, I like that it draws attention to my waist because normally I'm wearing high-waisted, and wearing a high-waisted belt adds that, attraction or that attention to the waist or to the hips if I'm wearing one of my hips as well. Okay, so Thursday. Thirsty Thursday, you know that's my favorite. Yeah, so for Thursday, I was rocking the So my side tidbit for this one is that I love 100% cotton outfits. Outfits that have every single piece 100% cotton. Because cotton is just such a breathable, soft, comfortable fabric that it's almost as if you're in loungewear, really. And with that, I would say that during the summertime, having a 100% cotton cardigan is absolutely key because it's just such a great layering piece because, you know, whether it's you're inside where there's the air conditioning, you know, blasting, or it's maybe getting to be a cooler night, cozying up by the campfire, then it's just such a nice, soft, breathable layer to throw on top of your outfit. Okay, Friday, TGIF. Yes. Who remembers TGIF lineup on ABC? Was it ABC? I think it was. I do. Girl was like counting the days to TGIF. Boy Meets World, yes. Front and center. I miss those good old days. So yeah, for Friday, we decided to take a little adventure to the coast. So my side tidbit for this one is that when I wear an oversized fitting pair of jeans, I love to pair them with something that's sexy or feminine to kind of counteract that boyishness of the jeans. I feel like it's just a really good balance to the outfit and just adds that juxtaposition that you know I love. As well as that, I love the dual purpose of wearing strapless tops during the summertime because I don't really get out in the sun that much. So when I do get in the sun, I like to absorb some of that vitamin C. And so I love that, yeah, you just got that exposure of the shoulders and chest and no tan lines, just a clean little sun kiss on the skin. All right, you guys, there we have it. That is what I wore this week. I hope you enjoyed this episode. And of course, you know what to do. If you did, give me that thumbs up, comment below, share with friends, and subscribe for future weekly episodes. All right, you guys, you have a beautiful weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy, support each other, love each other, and we will definitely be chatting soon. Bye.